trusted CBSE school in the North India region, which goes to Delhi Public School, Bara, Kanpur. Congratulations to Delhi Public School, Bara, Kanpur. Mrs. Shilpa Manish, the principal, is here with us. Wow. The very beautiful and charming Mrs. Shilpa Manish, the principal of Delhi Public School, Bara, Kanpur, are the recipients of India's most trusted CBSE school category in the North India region. Congratulations to you, dear ma'am.